These fresh apples went straight from the tree to my kitchen. In today's video, I'll show you 2 incredibly easy apple recipes you'll want to make again and again. Hello and welcome back. Today I'll show you 2 easy and delicious apple recipes that are perfect for breakfast or dessert. First, we'll make delicious apple crumble, then we'll finish with a comforting homemade sweet cinnamon fried apples. Let's get started. After washing the apples thoroughly, I slice them into bite-sized pieces. There's no need for perfect slices. Just make them similar in size so they cook evenly. I place the apples into a bowl and add sugar, cinnamon, and a little apple cider vinegar to bring out their natural sweetness. Then I gently mix everything together until the apples are well coated. For the crumble topping, I combine flour, brown sugar, and cold butter, rubbing everything together until it resembles coarse breadcrumbs. Free to add a handful of oats to give the topping an extra crunchy texture. Now I spread the seasoned apples into my baking dish and sprinkle the crumble mixture evenly over the top, making sure every piece of apple is covered. Into the oven it goes until the topping is beautifully golden and crisp, while the apples become soft, juicy, and full of flavor. Alternatively, you can bake the apple crumble using a glass bowl. Make sure the glass bowl is oven safe. Once it's out of the oven, I let it cool slightly before adding a generous scoop of creamy vanilla ice cream. Watching the ice cream slowly melt over the warm crumble is simply irresistible. Now that our comforting apple crumble is ready, let's make another quick favorite that's perfect for breakfast, dessert, or a delicious snack. I slice a few more fresh apples and melt some butter in a frying pan over medium heat. The apples go into the pan and cook for a few minutes until they begin to soften. Next, I add a splash of vanilla extract, brown sugar and cinnamon. As everything cooks together, the butter and sugar create a rich, glossy cinnamon sauce that coats every slice perfectly. After just a few more minutes, the apples are beautifully tender while still holding their shape. These cinnamon fried apples are incredibly versatile. Enjoy them on pancakes, waffles, porridge, yogurt, or simply on their own while they're still warm. Both of these recipes are simple, comforting, and packed with delicious apple flavor. Which one would you try first? The warm apple crumble with melting vanilla ice cream or the sweet cinnamon fried apples? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this far. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share with your loved ones, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my next harvest and recipe. Until I see you in the next video, happy gardening, happy cooking, and take care.